Hello guys, it is the first exercise of the series car engine, and in this exercise you will learn to make the engine block. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step, save this file. The name here will be car engine, press save. And now change the design type, click here in document settings and here in part design. Select convert design type. And here the design type is hybrid and press convert. And now go to assembly and select the new component. The parent here is the car engine and the component name is engine block, and select activate and press OK. And now go to create a sketch and select the front plane and go to create, select the arc, center point arc, click here in the midpoint. The radius here is 63.5 millimeters. Make an arc here. And go to constraints and select horizontal vertical. Select this point and the midpoint. Make the same here. And select line. Make two lines here. And make two lines here. And go to sketch dimension. And the distance between this line and the midpoint is 165 millimeters, 0.1. And the length of this line here is 48.36 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 175 millimeters, 0.36. And now select line and activate the construction line type and click here in the midpoint. Make a line here with 279 millimeters, 0.4. And go to sketch dimension. The angle between this line here and this one is 45 degrees. Let me move the dimension here a little bit. And now select line, remove the construction line type, click here in this point, make a line here, make another line here, and another one. And go to constraints and select perpendicular, select this line and this line and this one, and select this line here and this construction line. And go to constraints and select the midpoint, select this line here and this point. Okay, finish the sketch. And now go to extrude and select this profile. The direction here, select symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here is 482.6 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. We made this one. And now go to create a sketch and select this face. And here select line, a construction line type. And make a line here with 292.1 millimeters. And go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center point here. This line is for reference. And now select the circle, make a circle at this point, remove the construction geometry here, make a circle here in the center and a circle here. And go to constraint, select equal, select these three equal circles, make this equal. And go to sketch dimension. The diameter here is 127 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select these three circles. And the extend type, select all and flip the direction to create a cut here and press OK. We made this cut. And now go to create a sketch and select this face again. And select a circle, click here on the midpoint, make a circle here with 152.4 millimeters of diameter. And make a circle here concentric with this hole. And go to constraint, select equal, select the circle and this one. Select the circle again, but select a construction geometry. Click here on this point, make a circle here with 183 millimeters, 0.9. And remove the construction geometry, make a circle here with 25.4 millimeters. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint here, the vertical distance, is 55.88 millimeters. And we will create more 3 circles here. This circles has the same diameter and it must be coincident with this construction arc here. And go to constraint, select the equal, select this one. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this and this one, this one. And now go to modify, select offset, select this edge here, make an offset here with minus 12.7 millimeters and press OK. Let me move this dimension here a little bit. And now go to line and select construction geometry. Click here in this point, make a construction line here. And go to mirror. Select these 4 circles. And select this circle. And the mirror line here is this construction line. And press OK. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Select this profile. Only this blue area, okay? And here we need to make a cut with minus 120.65 millimeters. We will create this cut here and press OK. And now go to create a sketch again and select this face here. And here select a line, a construction line. Click here in the midpoint. Make a construction line here and a construction line here. We need an horizontal construction line and a vertical construction line, okay? Vertical and horizontal. And now select line again. Remove the construction geometry. Find the center of this face. If you didn't find this, go to create and select project include project and select this face here or this arc and make the same, select this arc here and press OK. And now select line, click here in this point, make a line here with 20 millimeters of length and go to create, select the circular pattern, the object, select this line and the center point, select this point or this circle. The quantity here is 3 and press OK. And now select the line again, click here in this point, make a line here with 30 millimeters of length. And now go to mirror, select these 3 lines and this one. And the mirror line here is this construction line and press OK. And go to mirror again, select all these lines. And go to mirror line, select this mirror line. and press OK. And now finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select these lines. Let me hide this bar a little bit. Active here the thin extrude and select these lines. Show the bar 1 here to create the extrude. And the distance here is minus 121 millimeters. The taper angle 0. The wall thickness 5 millimeters. The wall location is center. And the operation here is join. And press OK. We made this one. And now go to create a sketch and select this face again. And here, press letter P in the keyboard, select this face and press OK. And select a circle. Make a circle here with 90.52 millimeters of diameter. And we will create another circles here in the center, concentric with the circular face, with the same diameter of the first circle here, 952. So go to constraint, select equal, select the circle and this one. Make all the circles equal. And finish the sketch and go to extrude. Select the circles. And here we will create a cut with minus 76 millimeters. Operation cut and press OK. And now go to create a sketch and select the right plane. I will hide this bar a little bit. Select a line, make a line here, a vertical line. And make this a construction geometry. It is for reference. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line and the midpoint is 12.7 millimeters. The length here, we use 200 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Show the body 1. This line here is just for reference. And now go to modify and select move and copy. The move object, select bodies. The selection, select this body here. And the move type, select rotate. The axis, select this construction line here. And here, active the create copy. And here we will rotate this 180 degrees. And press OK. We made this one. You can hide this sketch a little bit. And now go to extrude and select this face. And the extended type, select to object. The object, select this face. And the operation here is join and press OK. And make the same here in this side. Go to extrude, select this face. The extended type, select it to object. And the object, select this face here, operation join and press OK. We made this one. And here, just to make this fully defined sketch, active this sketch here. And go to constraints and select horizontal vertical, select this point and the center point here. And finish the sketch. And to achieve the sketch 6, and here go to constraints, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, and select this point and this point here, and finish the sketch. Okay? And now go to create a sketch and select this face, and go to modify, select the offset, select this edge here. The offset here is minus 12.7 millimeters, and select line, click at this point here, make a line here. This line here must be parallel with this one, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this one is 5 millimeters. And finish the sketch. And go to extrude, select this area. We'll create a cut here, minus 25.4 millimeters. Operation cut and press OK. And now go to circular pattern. The object is features. The object here, select the last cut. And the axis here, active the sketch 8 and active this axis. The quantity is 2. We will create a cut in this side and press OK. Hide the sketch 8. And now go to construct and select the mid plane. And here select this face and this face here. And press OK. And go to create a sketch, select this new plane. And here go to create, select the project include, project, select this edge here, and this one, and press OK. I will hide this bar a little bit. And here select line. We will create this sketch. We will put the dimensions later, okay? And here go to constraints and select parallel. Make sure that this line is parallel with this one, and this line is parallel with this one, and this line is parallel with this one. And go to smart dimension. The distance between these two lines here must be 19.05 millimeters. The distance between these two lines is 19.05 millimeters. And go to constraint, select equal, select these two lines here and these two lines here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line and the midpoint, 90 millimeters, and make a construction line here in the center. Make sure that this line is a horizontal line, and go to midpoint, select this point and this line, and go to smart dimension. The distance between this point and this line is 18 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Show the body 1 and go to extrude, select this profile. And the direction here, select symmetric. The extended type, select whole length. And the distance here is 469.9 millimeters. Operation cut and press OK. Let me check the distance here. 19.05. Check the distance in this face and this face. 19.05 millimeters. That's correct. And now we need to create the fillets. So go to fillet. I will rotate this a little bit. And here select this edge here. The fillet here is 6.35 millimeters. And add selection set. And now select this edge here, this one, and select here this far edge. The fillet here is 12.7 millimeters. and press OK. We need to create some more fillets. So go to fillet again, select this edge here. The fillet here is 20 millimeters. And press OK and go to fillet again. Select this edge here, this one. The fillet here is 50.8 millimeters of radius. And press OK. Now to finish this exercise, we need to create some holes here in this face. So go to create a sketch and select the bottom face here. And I will rotate this a little bit. And press letter P in the keyboard or go to project included project. Select this edge here, and this edge, and press OK. I will hide the body one and select line, a construction geometry. Click here on this point, make a construction line here. And now go to create and select point. We'll make a point here and a point here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this line here is 50.33 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and this line is 10.8 millimeters. And the distance between this point and this one is 101.6. And the distance between this point and this line here is 7.8. And now go to create and select the rectangular pattern. The object, select this one, move this a little bit here. The quantity here is 4 and the distance is 101.6. And the distribution here, change this to spacing. The distance 101.6. And press OK. I got an error here. Let me go to rectangular pattern again. The object, this one. The distribution, spacing, the direction, select this line here. Let me move to this side. The quantity here is 4 and the distance minus 101.6 millimeters. And the quantity here, you don't need to change this, okay? And press OK. And now select a point again. Make a point here. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this one. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this line here is 10.8 millimeters. Press OK. And now go to mirror, select these points. And the mirror line is this construction line here and press OK. And just to define the sketch, go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And finish the sketch. Show the body one. And here go to hole and the placement. Select from sketch. Select all these points here. The hole type, select simple. The hole tape type, select simple. And the dip here is 30 millimeters. and the diameter is 8.5 millimeters, and press OK. So here we finish the engine block. So see you in the next videos to make another part of the car engine. Bye bye.